Did you know that 91% of people under 30 dream of earning money online, but over half never even try? If you fail to complete this video, you'll miss out on proven methods to make $100 a day online without any experience, a decision that could cost you years of financial freedom. Imagine waking up to see $100 deposited into your account every single day, all from methods that require zero prior skills. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through powerful, beginner-friendly ways to earn online in 2025. These strategies are not only innovative, but also designed for the modern era where AI and smart tools can do most of the heavy lifting for you. By the end, you'll have actionable ideas and the confidence to start right away. Let's begin by understanding the problem. We got two things here: the myth and the challenge. The myth. Many believe you need technical skills, coding knowledge, or a big investment to make money online. This mindset holds so many people back. But the truth is, with the rise of AI and platforms designed for accessibility, making $100 a day has never been easier or more accessible to anyone with a phone or laptop. The challenge. Fear and procrastination are your biggest enemies. While others hesitate, those who act now capitalize on opportunities others overlook. So, let's demolish the barriers holding you back and focus on strategies that work. Whether you're a student, full-time worker, or just starting out. Firstly, let's go through AI. The AI industry is projected to grow over $15 trillion in the coming years. But what does that mean for us? It means that we can use AI tools to boost our income. But it presents a major problem, which is money. We all want to be rich, but let's be real, not all of us have money to waste like it doesn't matter, right? So what about those who have empty pockets and not enough money to buy even a wallet? Well, if you're one of those who fought with their parents for the latest iPhone, which resulted in you going broke, then don't get emotional. You still got that iPhone, right? You can literally save up just the enough amount you need to invest in AI and get massive returns. Do you want to know how? I've made an entire video on 8 AI tools that can make you rich in 2025, which you can find at the end of this video. As for today, let's break down the top 7 methods to earn $100 a day in 2025. Method 1. Sell AI-generated content on platforms like wirestock.io. With free AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you can create unique images, videos, and digital art in seconds. Platforms like wirestock.io allow you to sell this content and even participate in contests. For instance, Wirestock's challenges offer prizes of up to $100 per submission. Create 10 to 15 high-quality pieces and let them generate passive income over time. Imagine this. One button click and you earn $100 for an AI-generated image. Sounds almost unfair, doesn't it? But it's real. Method 2. High-ticket YouTube automation. Forget traditional YouTube ad revenue. High-ticket automation involves creating faceless channels in profitable niches like finance or real estate, targeting premium audiences. By promoting high-value products or services, you can earn commissions far beyond regular ad revenue. Tools like Pictory.ai can generate video content, and 11 Labs offers realistic voiceovers, no face required. What if I told you one YouTube video could earn you $1,000? We'll get back to that, but first, let's explore another income stream. Method 3. Cash Stars. CashStars.com allows you to earn money by watching YouTube videos, searching on Google, playing games, writing posts, and promoting offers. This platform stands out as one of the few that lets you earn decently without doing much work. However, since it's highly in demand, you'll need to join the priority waitlist by entering your name and email. While acceptance can take 1 to 2 months, once you're in, you could earn thousands in a fun and straightforward way. Method 4. Become a digital side hustle freelancer. Platforms like ytjobs.co connect you directly to YouTube creators looking for help. Whether it's video editing, script writing, or voiceovers, AI tools like ChatGPT can simplify these tasks. Use plugins like VoxScript for transcriptions or Scholar AI for detailed research to deliver quality results without much effort. Pro tip: start with smaller gigs to build a portfolio, then scale to high-paying roles like YouTube strategist. Method 5. Movie recap channels. Starting a faceless movie recap channel is an excellent way to earn through YouTube. Use AI tools like Pika.art or Pika Labs to generate copyright-free video footage for free. These tools allow you to create stock footage, B-rolls, or even full-length video scenes using simple prompts. Combine this with 11 Labs for professional voiceovers, and you can produce engaging movie recaps. These channels are often monetized through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, potentially earning tens of thousands of dollars per month. Method 6. Become an AI musician. Platforms like Moobert.com let you create royalty-free music tracks using simple prompts. Choose a genre, mood, or duration, and the AI generates unique songs for you. Sell these tracks on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or stock music marketplaces like Pond5. While it may not pay a fortune, it's an effortless way to generate extra income with minimal effort. And lastly, I have a surprise for you for staying until the end of the video. Method 7. Multiple passive income apps. I'm not just going to share one app that you can use to make money online from your phone without doing the work, because one app will not pay you a lot. But if you combine it with 10 different apps, you can actually make a lot more money without doing any work. Here's the list. Number 1. SMS Cashback. Earn $20 to $60 per month by receiving SMS. You don't need to open or read them. Connect even inactive phones to boost your earnings. Number 2. Repocket. Share internet data, complete surveys, or refer users. It's free and effortless, especially for Android users. Number 3. Pawns app. Share your internet and earn $9.60 per month per unique IP address. Use family members' devices to stack up earnings. Number 4. Proxy Rack. Share data through your devices and earn passively. Use it on phones, laptops, or desktops. Number 5. Honeygain. Share internet and get paid. Offers bonuses like $5 upon sign-up and can earn up to $200 per month with active sharing. Number 6. Simplify.network. Share your Wi-Fi to earn up to $180 per month. Passive and straightforward. Number 7. MC Money. Another SMS-based app where you get paid to receive texts. No need to open them. Number 8. WeCash. Requires some effort like answering surveys and playing games, but offers instant cash outs. Number 9. Missed Play. Play to earn rewards. Make money playing games during your downtime. Now what's number 10? You might be shocked by the answer. The app number 10 is YouTube itself. Make YouTube videos using the power of AI and generate content that can get your channel monetized. I'll be honest, this does require some work, but I've calculated and found out that on using AI to generate videos and doing basic editing yourself, it's not going to take more than 1 hour. And that, too, is work which you can do while sitting on your couch and a phone in your hand. Does that seem tiring? I don't think so. However, YouTube can definitely help you generate more than $100 a day. Still, remember that these apps won't make you rich individually, but when combined, they can increase your income with minimal effort. Think of these apps as digital vending machines. The more you stack, the more they pay. I know a guy, Alex. He started 6 months back with zero experience and no clue how to earn online. By leveraging tools like Midjourney for AI content, ytjobs.co for freelance gigs, and Honeygain for passive income, he hit $100 a day within 90 days. Your journey can start today. The methods I shared are practical, achievable, and proven to work. All you need is the courage to begin. And if you're thinking you'll struggle finding these apps, don't worry. I have posted the link of all the apps told in this video in the description. So, to conclude, you've learned how to monetize AI tools, dive into YouTube automation, become a freelancer with minimal effort, and stack passive income apps. These strategies are your golden ticket to achieving financial freedom in 2025, but only if you act on them. Before you leave, here's your next step. Watch my videos on the 2025 side hustle that feels illegal, but it makes $500 a day, and 8 AI tools that can boost your income in 2025. Both will give you an edge in your journey to earning online. Don't forget to subscribe. Missing future videos could cost you thousands of dollars. Hit the bell icon to stay ahead, and let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.